Hi everyone, it's Missy Annell here. Today I'm going to tell you how to do the meal application online. So if you're like me and you have several kids, those first week of school, all that paperwork that comes home is a little overwhelming. So I'm going to let you know today you can start this process today and it'll make your life a little easier. We're all about that, right? So if you go to infinitecampus.com, you go to login, district name, of course, Wolf Creek Local, Ohio. Go to search, you're going to say parent, student. Of course, you're going to say campus parent. For today's purposes, I'm going to go into account just to save our private information. And you're going to have what looks like a blank form there. And you're going to go to more. And then when you go into more, you're going to see meals, meal benefits. Click on that. We really encourage everyone to fill out this application for several reasons. You might not think you qualify, and maybe you do. But another reason we ask that you fill out this application is that it could help us be able to get more grants or more dollars for our school district in the future. So we really encourage everyone to fill out this application if possible. So it's going to look like this. Actually, it's going to come up with an e-signature page. So what an e-signature page is basically it's a way for you to be able to sign these forms without having to write your name, on the computer. So it's going to ask you to create a pen, and that pen will be your e-signature pen. You're going to create that. It's going to ask for that twice, and then it's going to ask for your Infinite Campus password, just so that it can confirm that that is what's going to save to your profile. Then you're going to go to this screen, which looks like your meals benefit application. This is going to be your letter to household. Of course, you want to read that fully. You're going to go down here to next. It then, of course, is going to give you instructions on how to fill this out. Basically, it's like the forms you would get home from school, but we're saving some trees by doing it on the computer. And it's just going to say that I have been identified as the household member signing this application. Next. You're going to add any household members here, super easy. Then you're going to add any children. You're going to add your income. You're going to review your application. You're going to authorize it. You're going to submit it. It should not take any amount of time, and it's super easy, and it's just going to be one less thing you need to do that first week of school. So we just really encourage everyone to fill this out if they get a chance. You can fill it out before school. We can fill it that first week of school, and it's going to save some papers. You'll probably still see these papers come home, but you can just check it off the list that it's been done. I hope this makes your life a little easier, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.